How to download voice messages on Instagram. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with these tips. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram account, tap on the profile icon of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Then tap on the three line at the top right corner. Then tap on the account center at the top. Then tap on the your information option available there. Then tap on the download your information. Then again tap on the download or transfer option available there. Then tap on the specific option available at the second. Now here choose the data you want to download. Since we are going for the voice message, then select messages option available there. Tap on the messages. Then tap on the next option available there. Then tap on the download and choose the time range and tap create files option available there. Instagram will prepare your data and send you a download link to email associated with your account. This may take some time, but once you receive the email, you can download your information link. You can see all the messages option available there, but you'll have to scroll and look for the voice messages especially since we do not have voice message option available in the download section. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.